Hey guys, D-Rage here. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing of these Wayfarer sunglasses. These are actually prescription. These are the first generation. Just got this yesterday, and last night they released a new one. So I'm not even sure I'm gonna get this, to be honest, but I'm gonna try it out and see how I like it. Just because there's a Gen 2 now, and the Oakleys as well. So without further ado, it comes in this nice brown case. I love the case. Look at that. Very nice leather, really solid. I love how they're packaging, so easy to unbox, basically. When we open, we have it, and I'm gonna let you guys know how the prescription are for this, because I wear my regular glasses, which is here, and right now to do videos I don't put it on. So we're gonna take this off. This is how they look, and they look, I got the matte black, not the shiny black. My prescription, it's amazing. I can actually, yeah, perfect. Amazing prescription. They're transitions, so when I go outside, they'll transition to black, and they do have something in the screen. What are this? I don't know what these are, but there's like black marks in the screen. Not really sure why, but there's like black dots, I think, where they mark the progression lenses. There's like, I don't know if you guys can see it. There's like black dots in the screen. Not really sure. I think they forgot to remove it, to be honest. I think it's more of a, hey, we're supposed to remove that, but we didn't. And another thing that I noticed it's missing, I thought it was supposed to come with a cleaning cloth. I have not seen one. So I thought it was going to be inside. Oh, actually, I'm lying. It does come with it. There's more stuff in the box. So there it is. It's over here. Hidden over here. There it is. Cleaning cloth. So, but I still think that mark, they forgot to remove it. Because probably some alcohol. I'm gonna see if it comes out with just the cleaning cloth itself. It looks like a Sharpie mark when they're notating where the transition is. And let's see, yeah, it comes off. That's exactly what it is. So just a Sharpie, dry eraser or whatever it is, mark, and we can remove that really quick. And put it on and see how it feels. And I don't know if it's in the outside. It's in the outside that they placed the mark. All right, there you go. So now I can take a photo, push a button, take a photo, listen to music, tap. First I gotta configure on my phone, but then push and hold to record a video. First I gotta turn it on. Which there's, in case you don't know where to turn it on, there's a switch right here in the inside. You can see that little switch. That's how you turn it on. Normally they come turned on, but this one didn't for some reason. So we'll turn it on. There's and you turn it on by the forward position. And yeah, that's it. You put it back in the case. Once you put it back in the case, it will charge. And the light will let you know if it's charged or if it's charging. You see right now it's charging. Because they don't come fully charged, so you gotta charge them. Once you take it out, they should come on. There'll be a LED blinking over here. I don't know if you guys can see the LED. Yes, you can. That's it. That's the glasses booting. And then it'll be ready with the green light, let you know that it's ready. And it says my battery is 74%, so it lets you know how it is. And then I think it wants me to activate because it's blinking blue, kind of like Bluetooth pairing thing. So it wants me to connect to my phone, then Meta app and stuff like that, and set it up. Which I'm not gonna do it right now, but I can still take a photo and I can record a video. And you should be able to see little light either here or here. Not too far from the camera to see it, but that's how they look. If I go outside in the sun, which there is no sun now, they will transition. I'll do another video showing the transition, how long it takes and all that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. I really love this case. It's really classy, and it serves as a charging case as well. So once the battery is running low, you take it off, put it in the case, it will charge. So you can take photos again and videos. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Take care. Talk to you. you guys later. Bye.